Hey TikTok, today we're smoking an entire chicken using the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker. Let's get started. All right, so go ahead. We've got our GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker preheated and ready to go. We'll be smoking at 245 degrees. So here is our beautiful chicken. We have done a lemon pepper rub. And we're going to be aiming at a 175 degree Fahrenheit target to make sure it is perfectly cooked and juicy. Now, as you can see, we have our probe and we've inserted the probe there. We've also inserted pellets here into the pellet tray. So those are ready to go. And also I have put in water into the water waste bin. Now, we're ready for some serious smoking action going on. So we're gonna be using smoke level 5 to get that rich smoky flavor. We placed our chicken in the smoker and we're good to go. Go ahead and hit start. Now we wait. So smoking is all about patience for this. But we're lucky because we're able to cook this chicken inside and not go outside in our summer heat. All right, it is all done. Have our beautiful lemon pepper chicken. It looks amazing. We're ready to eat.